Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrap and Happy. Look what I have. I'm so excited. I have the March Cheaply Chic collection. Let's see. Wings. I think it's called Wings. I haven't looked inside yet. So, here we go. Wings. And of course I will link all the stuff below, where to find it, and you know, the other design team people, and you know, all that. And she always writes a fabulous, quite inspirational letter to us, which I will read later, because one time it made me cry. I mean, not us as in her design team, but us as in her people, the people who get the kit. But it's called Wings, and it's pretty appropriate because there's some changes going on. Maybe not so much in my life, but someone very close to me. So I think this is going to be for her, unless, of course, I like it too much and decide to keep it. Because that's the kind of friend I am. And I always keep this paper, and if I can, yeah, it looks like I'll be able to. I keep the, oh yeah, the little piece, just because I'm weird, and it's got butterflies on it, and I can use it on something in here, and it's extra special. Ooh, look. And I don't know what, I need to ask, what is this? This was in the Grace collection, and it is so cool. I'm not sure if it's like a deli paper or what, but I like the feel of it when you write on it, but I like to touch it, and I like the sound. And as she has said, this one is very different for her. It's got darker colors, and I like it. As always, it's a completed journal with, it's got fabric and then pretty, it's just really pretty. And if I recall, this is a stamp onto fabric. I'll have to watch her video again, but I'm pretty sure that's what she said. Or I remember that that's what she said. Oh gosh, look at this. That's gorgeous. And she always puts the name of the kit, the paper pads that she uses, in her description. So when I link you to her video, then you can get that information if you love this. And it's got copy dyed papers, tea, or maybe tea, I think she tea stains. I can't remember. But anyway, and it's got all the good stuff. Ledger papers. Ooh. Oh, I remember. Ooh. She's put some black paper in this time. And look right here. That's a white pen. Yeah. I'm very excited about that. I have a white pen. It just never occurred to me to, you know, use it. This looks like, oh, Shakespeare. Right there. I was reading it, trying to figure out if I could. Yeah, it's kind of early, so it's all right. Oh, cool. Coolness. I like that. Lots you could do. I mean, you could cut it here to be a pocket, and then on this piece, cut it here to be a side-loading pocket. And then maybe sew here so that it doesn't, you know, slip in and out. Interesting. I always feel so creative when I'm looking through her stuff, because there's so much. And then when I start working, I'm like, creativity, stop. Fortunately, you don't have to have a lot of it to do these and make them fabulous, because like I said, she sends you the completed journal plus all the stuff you could ever imagine needing or wanting for to decorate the pages. And also in her shop she has extra, like there's a 15-piece pack and a 30-piece pack, and it's, I mean, I don't know how in the world you would use the 30-piece. I mean, or extra. I just don't know. My little brain just can't do it. So I love this. Look at that. I'm not even sure what kind of fabric that is, but I like how she's this. I like it. Okay, let's see what's inside. Let's look at the big stuff. She always puts a piece of chipboard in the bottom, or in the, you know, the back of the envelope. So, hello, you can use that too. And oh my gosh, a whole song. Like, ooh, not just a page. Oh my goodness. Invictus. Oh my gosh. 1910, my people. Wow. So this is great for collaging. And then here you got your music. Oh my goodness. And that word. I mean, just like maybe that on something. That's great. That will be perfect in this little book too. Okay. Now, pull out. Oh my gosh. Is that? Look, she has a napkin that match. Oh no. Too bad it's not inside out, so I could just pull the back side off with that, huh? It matches. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm going to go ahead and pull all this out because I get it stuck on there. And then, look. A little feather. I'm going to have to put that somewhere that doesn't blow away. Okay. Here's the pen. Sorry. You know, can't be an adult when you're not really an adult, so. Okay, there's things blowing. I wonder if yep, there was another feather. Hold on. So there's two little baby blue feathers. Oh, look. Okay, so it is a Uniball Signo. Ooh. Wow. That's awesome. Awesome. Okay, let's do this big stuff first. Okay, herbal household products. Oh, look. Huh, how to herbal dye something. Cool. So the thing about her, the pages she puts in, I don't have to worry about them being inappropriate, because I have actually used, you know, I buy books at the Dollar Tree. I don't read them. I don't, you know, and I have actually used the pages for stuff, and I have actually stumbled across wordage and description of activities that might be deemed inappropriate. So I have to be careful. And look at this sweet little, it's wallpaper, and oh, that's so sweet. This is, ooh, yummy. And then, oh my gosh, I can actually read this. Dictionary, big words, excellent. Oh, antihistamine. Hello, spring. Oh, wow. That's really, I like that. I like those big words. Alright. And then we've got, so you got to choose which side you like, or do it as a flip. Because here is some children's poetry. Oh, another feather. Hold on. My door is closed. I'm doing laundry, which is right outside this room, so I have closed the door, so my dog would be, you know, eating the feathers. This is really pretty. Some more black, so you could write with that white pen. Look at that, coppery, gorgeous. And look at that sweet paper. I love it. Okay, and these, very cool. Good for lots of stuff. You know, you can cut little bitty pieces of them, or if I have it handy, yeah, I'm afraid I'll bump the camera. I stole an idea from Lynette once. She had used the edge of a doily with, you know, like inking, and then made it a little, used it as a stencil on some pages. And so I did my whole sheet with different colors of, I inked all the white off and then used different colors to put the doily pattern on each piece. So that's a cool idea. Alright, so doilies. Look at this bag. I love that bag. And of course, a playing card with birds. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Another one. Alright, library card and library pocket. Oh, look at these. Little bitty flashcards. But aren't they cute? I like the, that's kind of how my mind goes. And then it'll stop somewhere and just spin. It's not always fun being me. In fact, no, it usually is. And then our little claim check. I love these. And then a little Rolodex card. Tickets. Oh, look. A tag with a feather stamp. A bird. And I think it's the same, but yeah, I guess it's the same size. I was thinking this was smaller. So, one of those. A plain one. A, I think it's alterations. I seem to recall. An inventory tag. I saw somebody, I don't know, I watched so many YouTube videos that had used, ooh, and that's what I'm going to do. A decoupage napkin over a flashcard, because sometimes I'm like, well, I don't want to, it's cute, I don't want to mess it up, but I don't really know what to do with it. But if you, you know, you put your napkin, you could still see through it, so you still got the cuteness. Of course, that's not taken apart yet, but nah, I won't do it. But look how, I like the, one is rounded. I like that. And this is like a offcut of the cover. She always puts it in for us, and it fits in perfectly in this glassine bag that's also included. And it's like it was made for it. And then we got a time card. And I always, oh my gosh, I do laugh when I see these, because I'm actually old enough to have used these, and you know, it was always hard. I don't know if it's just me. It definitely could have just been me, but I always had trouble lining up the spot where you push it into this big old clock until it clicks, and then it stamps the time on here. So here's when you got here, here's when you left, here's when you went to lunch. And mine would be, yeah, I'm special. Okay, look at this. I think it's a cigarette card or a tea card. I'm not sure. I don't see on here. And I've never actually seen one. I've heard of them, and I've seen people with them on videos, but that is really cute. And then some more tags. And then, ooh, I like these babies. Ah, looky here. Black for us to use our white pen on. Oops. Let's see. Making a mess. Little bitty price tags. She always includes some punches, just because they are extra pieces. I've heard her say this. You know, extra cut on the offcuts. And so she punches up a few little pieces for us. Here's some feathers. Perfect. And then, of course, we got the little hearts that I use them on the strings of the center. So, they're really pretty. The one time I actually lost one, so I'm going to put them up there. And little bird punches, too. Oh, I might do that instead. No, I'm going to do the hearts. Okay, and then, oh, look. A feather charm. Cute. Oh, look. That's so cute. And then here is a gold paper clip. I know there's others. She always puts, ooh. Here's another feather charm. And it's on a bulb pin. And then another bulb pin. Hold on, where's my, there we go. Little bitty beads. Here, ooh, that's pretty. Here's the bookmark. Ooh, a bag of beauties. Cute. Oh, yummy. Fibers. And then here's a little bag with some more. There's some more gold paper clips in there. And look, ooh. Oh my gosh. You know, I look at this stuff and I think that's too pretty to use. I'm gonna keep it, but I'm not. I promise I'll use it. All right, I think that is it. I'm so excited. Like I said, I will link all the links, and go get yourself one. And also linked will be her Facebook group and her Etsy shop and her YouTube channel. So, okay, thank you guys. Have a good day.